Some of you were asking for what to do with your leftover art materials. So I'm going to show you how to make a simple butterfly. So I've put some paint into my tray. And I've got a piece of paper and fold it in half. You might remember doing this at school. And then I'm going to blob some paint on just one half of it. So big blobs of paint, because we need to have enough that it will spread. So remember to do a body down the middle for your thing. A bit more up here. So once you're happy with that, fold it over, give it a squeeze, and you see all the blobs joining together. I'm going to stretch my body a bit longer by just stroking the fold, so you can see the outline there. Ta-da! And you can leave it to dry, and then you can either cut it out or leave it like that. You can add some antenna to it. If you make one which looks a bit repeatery, just covers the whole lot, you can draw a butterfly shape on your piece of paper, cut it out, you can also do this by ripping. And there we have a nice symmetrical butterfly.